What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to discuss our winter maintenance and protection kit. We have this kit in two variants. Right here, we have the option for a vehicle that is not ceramic coated. It's coming with the Hot Shot soap and the Daddy-O paint sealant. And then we have this option for if your vehicle is ceramic coated. It's gonna come with our Shift soap and the Cherry ceramic wax. Let's get into the video. All right, so let's start with the whole shot, complete off-road cleaner. First off, I know it says off-road cleaner, it's throwing you off. Hey, how does this connect with a winter maintenance kit? As many of you know, a lot of our products serve several different purposes. So we're going to go over how to use the whole shot in your winter maintenance. So we're gonna use this as a pre-wash. So you can see how I am pre-rinsing the door with the water. Then I'm coming through with the whole shot, either in a spray bottle, or you can put it in a foam gun and dilute it with some water. And I am pre-treating the door with the whole shot. What this is doing is this is breaking down that heavy grime that is not coming off with your simple power wash rinse, or even if you have a hose at your house. You want that heavy grime off before you move into soaping your vehicle, so that you don't put swirls in your paint. A lot of times swirls and light defects are getting put into your paint, especially during winter. There's that heavy grime and buildup from driving through the rain, driving through the snow. And when you do your pre-rinse, it doesn't come off, and you come in and start washing your vehicle and you have all that grime in between your wash pad and the surface of your paint. That's how you get defects in your paint. So we use the whole shot to come through, remove a lot of that bulk grime, so that when you come in and start soaping the vehicle, you're gonna have a safer wash process. Okay, so you can see on the front door that I pre-treated with the whole shot. There's significantly less grime compared to the back door that I simply rinsed with water. That is the benefit of pre-treating your paint with the whole shot before you go into soaping your vehicle. All right, so the next step after you're done pre-washing with the whole shot, as we just showed you, will be to get into your soaping. So if your car is not ceramic coated, you're gonna use the Hot Shot soap. You just have a traditional wax or a sealant on your vehicle. If your vehicle is ceramic coated, you're gonna use the Shift soap and move forward with your traditional bucket washing method and your foam gun if you have one. All right, and since the truck we're working on is mine, it actually is ceramic coated, we're gonna use the Shift soap, and I'm gonna put some in the foam gun to the fill line, same foam gun I just used. And then I'm also gonna be using the same foam gun that I just used with the whole shot. All right, so you can see I stopped with that wash pad right about here. I leave this bottom few inches, 4 to 6 inches. I take the wash block, this is our Block Party wash block, and I'm gonna scrub this bottom part separately with that block so that none of that heavy debris down low is transferring even into the wash mitt that I'm doing these upper sections with. So this block is designated specifically for the bottoms of the vehicle. So whether you use this wash block from us or you designate a separate mitt specifically for the bottom, just follow that principle and designate a separate mitt for the bottom portion of your vehicle. Drastically helps keep defects out of your paint. Okay, our next step after you get the vehicle dry is to apply the layer of protection. If your car is not ceramic coated, you are gonna choose the Daddio option, which is our paint sealant. You're gonna apply it by hand with the applicator pad, follow the instructions on the back. It's gonna give you some really nice protection all through the winter. If your vehicle is ceramic coated, you are gonna use the cherry ceramic wax. You might think, well, it's coated, it doesn't need anything. You want to get another sacrificial barrier on top of your ceramic coating when you're going through winter. Trust me, this is my truck right here. This is what I'm applying to go through winter. Again, you have heavy grime and stuff that happens to your vehicle that does not happen during the summer months. If your car's coated, get a layer of the cherry ceramic wax on top of your ceramic coating. You're gonna be glad that you did. You're gonna apply it the same way as the Daddio, follow the instructions on the back, use the hand applicator. You're gonna enjoy the results. All right, here's a little pro tip for you guys. When you're removing the cherry ceramic wax or the Daddio, a lot of times when you're taking off a product off the paint, you have a dry product, then you have your dry paint, you can have a little bit extra tug with your towel. So I take a spritz of the Punch It, 2 spritzes actually, on my towel, and I will take the product off with that. It just helps it come off super quick because it's almost like you're adding a little bit of lubrication to your towel, so you're not dry towel, dry product, dry paint. You can have some unnecessary grab, and sometimes that can put some light marks in your paint that you don't want. We're a little anal around here, so this kind of stuff matters. You don't have to do that, but I found that it really helps. All right, last product to discuss is the Punch It ceramic detailer. So whether your vehicle is coated or not ceramic coated, the Punch It's gonna come in your kit. And when I want you to use this is after you've washed the vehicle, you've got your layer of protection on it, and maybe the following week you come in to do another wash. This is your maintenance spray that you're gonna use all winter. You're gonna use it all summer too. You'll get hooked on it. So the Punch It, what this is gonna do after you wash the vehicle, get it dried. Less is more with this product. You're gonna spritz a little bit on a microfiber towel, go over a panel, flip the towel, re-wipe it, even it out really nicely. This is just gonna continue to add more protection on top of what you already have on the paint. It's gonna make the surface super slick, really hydrophobic, so that the grime that's getting on the vehicle during the week is less likely to stick as bad. So it's gonna clean up easier. And this is just going to add to your protection after each wash, especially during the winter months. Super important. So taking care of your paint is always important, as a lot of you guys know, but in the winter, it's especially important. That's when a lot of vehicles get damaged just because of the sloppy washing that happens and not following a proper regimen during the winter months. That's how a lot of people backtrack with their paint care during the winter months, and then they come out of the winter and they got swirls and defects in their vehicle that they got to be, take it to a detailer, or even if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you've got to polish out a bunch of stuff yourself. We can avoid that by following a proper regimen, using the right products, and keeping your maintenance top-notch during the winter. So this kit's available at shinesupply.com. Remember, it's got the 2 variants. Choose the one that's right for you. We'll see you in the next video.